question. John signed up and paid $720 for 6-month accounting course on June 1st with Farhat Lectures. As of August 1st, Farhat Lectures accounting record would indicate what? Now I'm going to solve this question first, the long way, the accounting way. Simply put, giving you detailed explanation. Then I'm going to show you real quick how can you answer this question on the CPA exam in less than 30 seconds. Okay? So when John signed up and paid for 6-month accounting course, Farhat Lectures will debit cash 720 and will credit, hopefully you know this, deferred revenue or unearned revenue 720. Why? Because John is going to be consuming this course over a 6-month period. They paid for it and they will consume it over time. As they consume it over time, Farhat Lectures, since they're delivering the product on a monthly basis, they can recognize the revenue on monthly basis. Now I'm going to go a little bit further and just show you a 6-month period. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this course is for 6-month period. So, and August 1st, they're asking us about the record as of August 1st. So August 1st is right here. So this is June 1st. This is August 1st. So as of August 1st, what should our record indicate? Well, as of August 1st, we should have earned 2 months worth of revenue. Well, 720 divided by 6. Each month we would recognize 120 times 2 months. We should have revenue of $240. Once we know we have revenues of $240, we could eliminate C and D. We're down to A and B. Well, then they said A, it says 480 of account receivable, 480 of deferred revenue. Well, guess what? On August 1st, if I make the adjustment, let's assume I'm preparing my record, I will debit deferred revenue $240 and I will credit my revenues $240. Therefore, my deferred revenue started at 720 minus 240, 480, what's left? So the answer is B. Now let me show you how would you answer this question real quick if you have good, strong, basic, and I'm saying strong but basic understanding. Let me show you. If I see John signed up and paid $720, well, A has account receivable. There is no room for account receivable here. D has account receivable. There is no room for account receivable here. I'm down to 50-50. I didn't even read the remainder of the question. It's for a 6-month course on June 1st. So I'm going to be delivering this course over a 6-month period. If I'm delivering the course over a 6-month period, I cannot recognize the revenue now. So take out the revenue, I'm left with B. So notice, in less than 30 seconds, I was able to answer this question by having basic understanding. No need for account receivable. The course is for 6-month period. The customer will be consuming the material over 6 months. Therefore, I'm delivering the asset and they're consuming the asset. Remember, I am delivering and they're consuming. As I make the course available, John is watching. As John is watching, they are consuming the asset, so I can recognize the revenue. Be careful. Just make sure you're aware of this. Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.